Ever dream of earning $1,000 per week? What if we told you it's possible with affiliate marketing? Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing, a place where dreams of financial independence can become a reality. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? Picture this: you're a middleman connecting potential buyers with the products they're searching for. And the best part? Every time a sale is made through your referral, you earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. But let's break it down a bit more. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each customer or visitor brought in by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. It's a win-win scenario for everyone involved. The business gains more customers, the customer finds what they're looking for, and you, the affiliate, earn money for your efforts. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility and convenience. You can work from anywhere in the world at any time and on your own terms. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a device to work on. You can choose to promote products that align with your interests, making your work not just profitable but enjoyable too. And the earning potential? It's practically limitless. The more effort you put into promoting your affiliate products, the more income you can generate. Some successful affiliates even earn thousands of dollars each week, just like the $1,000 we mentioned at the start. Sounds dreamy, right? But don't let the allure of easy money cloud your judgment. Like any business, affiliate marketing requires dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate business model that has proven successful for many. Now that we've grasped the basics of affiliate marketing, let's move on to the steps to start earning with this method. The first step to earning big with affiliate marketing is choosing the right affiliate program. It's like choosing the right partner for a dance. You need rhythm, compatibility, and a shared goal. The rhythm is your interest and expertise. The compatibility is the product quality, and the shared goal is the commission rates. Imagine yourself as a skilled dancer, possessing the expertise and passion for a specific dance form. In the same way, choose an affiliate program that aligns with your interests and expertise. The dance will be smoother, and the audience, your potential customers, will appreciate the authenticity. Product quality is like your dance partner's skill. If your partner falters, your performance suffers. Similarly, a low-quality product can tarnish your reputation and trust with your audience. Lastly, consider the commission rates or the shared goal. It's the reward for your hard work and dedication. A high commission rate can make a significant difference in your earnings. Choosing the right program is crucial. It sets the foundation for your success in affiliate marketing. With the right program in hand, the next step is to build a strong online presence. In the vast digital marketplace, your online presence serves as your storefront. It's your platform to showcase the affiliate products you're eager to promote. It's your beacon, drawing in those potential customers who are drifting in the sea of online content. There are several ways to establish your online presence. You could start a blog, where you can share your thoughts, your experiences, and of course, your affiliate products. A blog is a great place to establish your voice, to show the world who you are, and to build trust with your audience. Trust, after all, is the cornerstone of any successful affiliate marketing endeavor. Or you might consider starting a YouTube channel. Here, you can create engaging videos that illuminate the benefits of your affiliate products. The beauty of YouTube is its vast reach. It's a global platform, so you're not just speaking to your neighborhood or your city, you're speaking to the world. Social media is another powerful tool in your arsenal. With a social media page, you can connect with your audience on a more personal level. You can share updates, engage in conversations, and cultivate a community that's enthusiastic about the products you promote. Regardless of the platform you choose, the key is to create quality content. Content that resonates, content that informs, content that entertains. In the realm of affiliate marketing, content is king. It's your magnet, pulling in your audience and keeping them coming back for more. It's your ticket to building a loyal following, a following that's eager to purchase the products you recommend. But remember, building an online presence doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes a commitment to consistently creating and sharing quality content. And most importantly, it takes a genuine desire to provide value to your audience. A strong online presence is key. It's where you'll engage your audience and promote your affiliate products. Now that you have a platform, the next step is to promote your affiliate products effectively. Let's dive into the many strategies at your disposal. First up, creating engaging content. This is your golden ticket. Craft blog posts, videos, or podcasts that not only showcase your affiliate products but also provide value to your audience. Remember, quality over quantity. Your audience is more likely to trust and purchase from you if they see the value in what you're offering. Next, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about making your content discoverable. Use keywords related to your affiliate products in your content. This will help your content rank higher in search engine results and attract more potential customers. Then there's the power of social media. It's not just about posting, but about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and share valuable information. Social media is also a great place to share your affiliate links in an organic and non-intrusive way. Now let's talk about email marketing. It's one of the most effective ways to promote your affiliate products. By building an email list, you can send targeted messages to people who are interested in your niche. And unlike social media, you have complete control over your email list. But let's not forget about authenticity and transparency. These are key in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Be honest about the products you're promoting. This not only builds trust, but also complies with many affiliate programs' rules and regulations. Remember, each of these strategies can be effective, but the magic happens when you use them together. It's about creating a synergy that boosts your online presence and maximizes your earnings. Effective promotion is what turns potential customers into actual ones. It's what will get you that $1,000 per week. The final step to achieving your $1,000 per week goal is to monitor and optimize your performance. Here's why. Just like a ship's captain uses instruments to navigate through the vast ocean, you need to use analytics tools to navigate through the vast world of affiliate marketing. These tools help you track your performance, understand what's working, and identify areas that need improvement. Imagine you're running a race. If you don't know how fast you're going, how can you possibly improve your speed? Without tracking your performance, you're essentially running in the dark. But when you start monitoring your progress, you can see clearly. You can see which affiliate products are selling like hotcakes and which ones are just gathering dust. That's why it's crucial to use analytics tools like Google Analytics or affiliate tracking software. These tools provide you with valuable data about your website's traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. This data is like a gold mine. It tells you which marketing strategies are paying off and which ones are not. But monitoring your performance is only half the battle. The other half is optimizing your performance, making necessary adjustments based on the data you've gathered. If a particular affiliate product isn't selling, you might need to change your promotional strategy. If your website isn't getting enough traffic, you might need to improve your SEO or invest in paid advertising. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a one-size-fits-all game. It's a constant process of learning, testing, and optimizing. What worked yesterday might not work today. What works for someone else might not work for you. That's why it's important to never stop learning, never stop testing, and never stop optimizing. So, keep an eye on your performance. Use analytics tools to gather data, make necessary adjustments, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, never stop optimizing. Monitoring and optimization is the final step. It's what ensures your success in affiliate marketing and gets you to that $1,000 per week goal. And there you have it, your blueprint to earning $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing. We've traveled a concise path together, from understanding the crux of affiliate marketing to choosing the right program that resonates with you and your audience. We've learned the importance of building a strong online presence and how to promote affiliate products effectively, ensuring that each step aligns with your personal brand and values. We've also discussed the significance of monitoring and optimizing your performance for continuous growth and success. The potential of affiliate marketing is vast. It's a dynamic field that rewards creativity, strategic planning, and consistent effort. With the right mindset and tools, you can turn it into a lucrative source of income. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today. Your $1,000 per week goal is within reach.